Hi guys, it is so hot, I can't tell you. It is really hot. As the car is saying, it is about 76 degrees Fahrenheit. So in centigrade terms, I think it's 30s maybe, I'm not sure. I've lost track of centigrade. But Karishma and Ivanka are just in one of the stores buying some paints or something. So I thought, let me start the vlog. Welcome back to the channel, guys, and thank you for so many amazing comments on yesterday's video and also all my other videos. I get 40-50 comments, but they're so much love, and trust me, I don't delete any comments, so if there's some negative comments, you will see them there. But as of now, everyone is supporting so much. I know a lot of you have come from Ashish's channel and originally many from Nikhil's channel. And I have 60% non-Indian followers also. So it's not that my channel only is Indian. So 20% is from US and other countries, UK, Germany, Canada. So I'm very comfortable with talking in English because it helps me reach more and more people. And if everything goes as per plan, tomorrow's going to be a very fun vlog, Sunday. I'm meeting my friend Raj on his bike, and he has a Triumph Bonneville, and we are both going on our bikes to pick up Ashish. So let's hope that all happens. As of now, the plan is on for tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. I meet Raj at his house in New Jersey, pick him up, take both the bikes, meet Ashish in his house, and then we are planning a nice ride. But more of that tomorrow. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, because you will see all these fun vlogs, especially tomorrow. I'm quite excited about tomorrow because it's going to be a BMW GSA and a Triumph Bonneville vlog, and of course with Ashish and Raj, so it'll be some boys time out. We've just come to a walking path along New York. This is actually New Jersey. Ivanka, say hi. Karishma.
Hi everyone.
Okay. Car's very dusty, need to get it clean. We can cross here, I think. It's a beautiful day, very warm. So this is a skateboard park here. We just came for a walk, and as always, I carried my GoPro. Are you going to jog, Karishma?
Probably just a stroll today.
So Karishma has given me a weight loss challenge. So I'm planning to lose what, 10 kilos in 6 months or 3 months? Need to lose some weight. Okay, here we are. Not very crowded actually. What's that? You want to walk to the pier and see them fishing? So George Washington Bridge is right there where we stay, probably 10 miles away. Want to go in here or straight? That's the Verrazano Bridge, right? Over there? Yeah, probably. Going into Staten. World Trade Center. It's so sunny. A lot of people chilling with their dogs and chilling with their bikes. So while working out or jogging or cycling, people are not wearing masks because It's not advisable. So we are in the Hoboken, Jersey area.
Excellent job. Slow down by the first.
Nice walk. Getting a nice breeze from the Hudson River. How's the walk going, Ivanka? So Karishma, do you think I can lose weight?
Of course, you've done it before.
What is that? I've done it before.
Yeah, you've done it before.
Okay, let's hope. I'm keeping a target on YouTube so that you guys can chase it with me. I'm doing a lot of yoga and workouts, but the only problem is I need to eat a little more healthy, and then the weight will start going. Ivanka, you think I can lose the weight?
Yeah, I think you can.
Okay, so my daughter and wife are confident. I don't know. When should I start? Maybe tomorrow. Tomorrow or today?
Don't put off tomorrow what you can do today.
So today. No Saturday fancy food. So this walking path is like goes right till the end over there, and it's so well made, very beautiful. You can walk for miles here. So we already walked about half a mile here, and the car we got to go back, so we have to get to the car, so we have to walk the miles back. So we've just cut into one of these inlets over here, which gives a beautiful view of downtown. And it's all to ourselves. Usually there will be at least 10-15 people. So again, just giving you some perspective of where we are. Way back there is the George Washington Bridge, where my house is. Downtown, George Washington Bridge, uptown Manhattan, midtown, and this is all downtown Manhattan. And this is all Jersey City. Verrazano Bridge out there. It's one of the riverside restaurants here, Blue Eyes, but they've also shut because of the virus. So as you can see, guys, we are all in our shorts and singlets because it's very hot today. So summer has officially started in the US, especially the East Coast. So this is the cycle path here, but we are walking. Just want to get some ice cream. Ice cream truck over here. How much do I have to pay you? $3. Okay, Eva. Thank you.
It's cash only.
Oh, okay. Ivanka's got her double chocolate chip ice cream. There's a UFC gym here. Maybe I need to check it out. That looks good, Ivanka.
Yeah.
Wow. So $3 for that. So Ivanka's nearly through her ice cream. Did you spill so much, Ivanka? She spilled a lot. Karishma, you didn't want ice cream? Stuffed. You didn't even have breakfast. Let's get the people jogging. Very pretty here. We are done with a very nice walk. Everyone's tired and ready for lunch, I think. So getting back to the car. Oh, it's so hot. Whew. back in the car. It was like a furnace. The AC is on and heading back home. We're about a mile away from home, so I thought let me log in and just say bye to you guys. Thanks for joining. Please like, share and subscribe.
Bye guys. Have a good weekend.
Ivanko. Alright. Hope you guys had fun watching the video. Take care. See you tomorrow. Bye.